Metro Brokers TV.
Welcome to Metro Brokers TV. Today in our studio, we have Kyle Surplus with Liberty Associates. Welcome, Kyle.
Thank you, Carrie. It's a pleasure to be here.
Tell me a little bit about your background.
Absolutely. Well, Carrie, I'm a second-generation realtor, so you could say real estate's in my blood. I've grown up here in Colorado for over 45 years, literally going to school from kindergarten through college. So, you know, growing up here, you could say I've got a real good knowledge of Denver and the surrounding areas. I have come from a professional, most of my adult life I've been in a professional sales background. So it was the perfect training ground and segue into real estate. Working large financial, technical transactions has really prepared me to help my clients in buying and selling of real estate.
What would you say is your area of expertise?
Well, Carrie, helping clients from literally Castle Rock to Fort Collins and everything between. Some of the areas that I specialize in are South Aurora, Centennial, Parker, Highlands Ranch, and Castle Rock.
Wonderful. Now, you also manage rental properties as well, is that correct?
Correct. I manage my own investment properties, and from all stages, from acquiring, kind of understanding the best neighborhoods, you know, which ones are appreciating, where we'll get the highest rents, all the way through to marketing for tenants, qualifying them, and retaining good, solid tenants. So I think it brings real solid knowledge to my clients to be able to have that real world experience. And, you know, quite honestly, managing rental properties, there's really no substitute for experience, and I can provide that to my clients.
That's wonderful. How would you say the real estate market is currently?
Great question. I would say it's hot. Quite honestly, there's three factors that have contributed to that. About a year ago, in March of 2012, inventory across Denver and the metropolitan areas shrank by 52%. Wow. So that instantly created a supply and demand issue. You couple that with historically low interest rates. A couple months ago, they were the lowest on record, as well as a lot of, you know, this economy has really been hard on Colorado families, you know, as well. And I think a lot of people are staying in their houses and fixing them up. So you don't have a lot of new inventory coming on. So it's really creating a seller's market, which is fantastic for sellers and challenging for buyers. So in my opinion, it's an ideal time to be represented by a seasoned and experienced realtor.
Wonderful. So how can clients reach you?
Well, I encourage them to go to my website, kylesurplusrealty.com, and learn a little bit more about me. I also have some neat search engines on that where they can put in some criteria, kind of look into some neighborhoods they've been thinking about, find out the value of their home, all at, you know, on their time, and, you know, utilize those tools at their discretion. And then if they need to contact me, they can email me directly from my website, as well as call me on my cell phone, which is 303-909-2323.
Wonderful. Well, Kyle, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come talk to me today.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
For more real estate related videos, please go to metrobrokerstv.com.
Find more great Metro Brokers videos at metrobrokerstv.com.